You might be familiar with that tune. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Moses. This is a song request from my friend. He said he would love it if I can play the song and also explain it. It's a song by Psquare and the title is Omoge Mi, which means my girlfriend. I love the song so much, even myself, I love the guitar part so much. So, well, if you have any song requests, you can drop it in the comment section. And if it's your first time in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started.
For so long, me I don't know. See my girlfriend and my best friend, they play me and they innocent. This little thing where they make me feel so. I've been forgiven the other time she was begging to be mine. I told her not to cry, that everything would be alright. But now I wonder why it has to be this guy. This now my only best friend. If I am, tell me what you could do, your girlfriend. In our lives, to my person, I don't let my lesson, and I just swear this no go happen again. This not my biggest mistake, and my friends no go see me again, and my girl no go put me for shame. If I am, if I am, tell me what you could do, your girlfriend. From one to
first you need to know that the song is on the key of D major. So let's quickly play the scale of D major scale. Though you can transpose to other key if you want, but I like to play the song on the same key which the composer uses. So that's the scale of D major. Then the next step is you need to understand the chords played. The chords played are chord 6, chord 4, chord 5, chord 3, and chord 2. So let me quickly show you how the chord 6. Then you can use any voicing you want, but I have the reason why I use this specific voicing because I try to follow the melody of the song. So my chord 6, I played like this. I make it open. That's chord 6. Then the next chord is chord 4. Did you see that? Then the next chord is chord 5. And the next chord is chord 3. Depending on the version you want, it's chord 3. And the next chord is chord 2. Or you can play like this. I like that. Then the next chord is back to chord 3 again. Then this chord 3 is meant to be a minor, then is now a major at the second time. You can hear the different tone quality there. The major, the minor, chord 3 minor, then this is the major. So remember, if you play the scale of the scale of D, B flat is now among. So the reason why we're playing that B is that we're changing chord 3, which is meant to be a minor chord, to be a major chord. All right, so that is a chord. Then the first thing is, let us get the intro of the song. The intro of the song is this. So that's the intro of the song. So let me quickly play that on my right hand very fast and you grace. Now I'm going to support it with a chord on my left hand. So I arpeggiate here. Then to chord 2. Then to the chord 3 major. Did you see that now? So that's the intro. Let me take it one more time. You can decide to add that. So that's the intro. Okay, the next step is the verse of the song. The verse of the song is one of the easiest parts to play. All you just need to do is to stay calm because the singer wants to pass the message to everybody to hear. So you don't need to do any stunt in that or any thing that might distract. So the chords, you just need to repeat the chord. So in the verse, you see, so many times, you see that? That's chord 6, then 4, then you stay on 8 so the beat finishes. You go to again the second time, then the third time is the same chord progression, but for my own preference, I like to play because it will be too boring for me to just keep playing that chord again, the same chord progression the third time. So what I did is that I played with the melody of the guitar. So what I did is this, I did. You see that? So I just follow the melody of the guitar. But if you know you can't do that, it's too hard for you, you can just prefer to play the chords. And the third time again, do you see that? The melody, if you're playing with the guitar, then this. So that's the my chord 5 with a bass of the third of the scale in the third note on the scale of D. Look at it, 1, 2, 3. So this is actually chord 5. This is another voicing. It's the same chord 5 here, another voicing. Then I did a slash chord there, so that's the bass there. So that is the verse 1. Then again, the same chord repeat again. You keep following again. You stay calm again. You have it again. 4, 5, then 3, 4, 2, 3 minor, then 3 as major. Did you get that now? So you repeat that, like you repeat it, you follow the song, you repeat it again 3 times again. Then um, you have the chord again, the fourth time, again, the same chord progression. Then you have it again. You say that now. Good. So that is all the chord progression that you have in the verse part. Then after that, you have the instrumentalist interlude. I will just play the melody. The interlude is done by the guitar, but if you know you can't still, if you don't want to do it, you can still you're still just playing the same chord, literally. So it's repetition of 6, chord 6, chord 4, chord 5, chord 3, chord 2, chord 3 again, then that's chord 3 minor again. Then you now play the second time, you are playing chord 3 as a major. So these are the notes there. So let me just play the interlude there. So we have, you see that? You see that? I'll play it again. Remember, we've played this slash chord before. Then you have a kind of harmony here. Yeah. So I'll play it again. Look at it. See that? Then the slash chord 5 slash the 3. Then harmony. Then the next one, the same interlude again. You grace. Then you see that. Then here. Then so this is it again. This is it. For chord 6, this is also chord 3 again. Major as major. Remember, if it's a minor, it's going to be A. This is it again as a major. So that's the solo part. Then once the interlude finishes again, you go back to your normal chord progression again, then to the 4, then to the 5, then to the 3, then to 2, I mean, sorry, 2, then to the 3. Then this is like a kind of to close up the phrase. You see that? If you want to play that too. But if you know you can't do that, you can just stay with a chords, which is that. You see that? 4 again, then this, then you see that again, sorry, 2, then to this. So, but since we have repetition of chord, I still like to play with the guitar again. So what the guitar did is it did here is there. That's still chord 6. We're just splitting the chord. Then Then I love this. Then the second time to the major. I'll read again. See that? And this. Then. Then. Then from the right, follow the chord. The same way. Then